The DJI Neo 2 is finally here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone launches of the year, redefining what a compact, intelligent, and affordable drone can deliver for both beginners and experienced flyers. DJI has once again proven that innovation doesn't need to come with a massive price tag. The Neo 2, which was officially unveiled on October 30th, arrives just 1 year after the first generation model, yet it feels like a generational leap in every sense. While the Mini 5 Pro has been dominating headlines for its advanced camera and long flight time, the Neo 2 has quietly evolved into something far more refined, combining playful design with professional-grade upgrades. The original Neo gained a loyal following for being incredibly versatile, portable, and durable, offering high-end features at an entry-level cost. It became the go-to drone for travel vloggers, FPV beginners, and social media creators who wanted cinematic shots without carrying bulky gear. But now, with the Neo 2, DJI is elevating that same experience with re-engineered components, stronger connectivity, better sensors, and a significant improvement in image quality and stabilization. The Neo 2 sticks to its identity as an ultra-compact selfie drone, designed for convenience, quick launches, and ease of control. However, it now integrates a host of upgrades aimed at addressing the shortcomings of the first model, most notably battery life, low-light camera performance, motor noise, and wind resistance. DJI has fine-tuned every aspect of the Neo 2 to create a smoother, safer, and more powerful flying experience, and the leaks that emerged weeks before launch hinted at precisely that. Thanks to well-known leakers like Igor Bogdanov and Jasper Enz, we already had glimpses of its revamped 2-axis gimbal, omnidirectional obstacle sensors, new lidar system, and voice plus gesture control functions that take user interaction to the next level. The new design keeps the sleek, foldable structure of the original Neo but refines its aerodynamics, improving stability even in moderate wind conditions. Its updated propeller design not only reduces noise but also boosts efficiency, allowing for a more stable hover and smoother flight in outdoor conditions. One of the most discussed updates is its battery system. DJI has re-engineered the Neo 2's battery placement and circuitry, now positioning it on the top for easier access and better heat management. The new battery delivers an estimated 19 minutes of flight time, a modest but welcome upgrade considering its compact body. Although many expected 25 minutes or more, the trade-off for improved safety, motor control, and sensor integration makes sense in this class. This new top-mounted battery includes LED indicators and an integrated power button for quick startups, a small but meaningful usability improvement. The real leap, however, lies in the imaging department. The DJI Neo 2 now features a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the same size found in higher-end models like the DJI Mini 4 Pro and Osmo Pocket 3. This marks a huge step up from the previous 1 to 2-inch sensor, allowing for dramatically better low-light performance, increased dynamic range, and much sharper color depth. The 48-megapixel resolution combined with 4K 60 HDR recording at 10-bit D-Log-M ensures that every shot has cinematic richness. Whether you're capturing golden hour landscapes or fast FPV-style action, the higher bitrate, expected around 150 Mbps, means finer detail and smoother gradients without heavy compression artifacts. But what truly sets it apart is the 2-axis mechanical gimbal combined with electronic stabilization, which cleverly simulates a third axis for silky smooth footage. This system not only reduces jitter from sudden movements, but also introduces vertical shooting capabilities for social media creators, a must-have in today's mobile-first world. DJI may even include a rotational gimbal mode, capable of 225° or possibly 360°, following the design trends of its Mini and Mavic lines. Another area where the Neo 2 truly shines is its obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with omnidirectional fisheye sensors, similar to those found on the Mavic 4, this drone offers true 360-degree protection. These new sensors enhance autonomous flight safety and object tracking precision, while supporting intelligent follow modes. Combined with its new AI-driven gesture and voice control, you can now control the Neo 2 hands-free or give it voice commands to take off, follow, or return home. This level of intuitive interaction is perfect for vloggers, travelers, and beginners who want a seamless flying experience without relying on complex controllers. Speaking of controllers, the Neo 2's modularity adds another layer of flexibility. DJI has introduced a new external transceiver unit that attaches to the drone's rear via USB-C and 4 mounting screws. This design keeps the Neo 2 ultra-portable for those who prefer smartphone or gesture control, while allowing power users to connect with DJI's advanced RCN3 controller, goggles, or motion controllers using O4 transmission technology. This is an incredibly smart design choice that balances minimalism with expandability. And then there's the weight. Despite the upgrades, the Neo 2 remains feather-light, weighing between 150 grams and 180 grams depending on configuration, meaning it still avoids heavier drone regulations in most regions while offering improved stability in level 5 winds. The Neo 2 lineup will come in 4 distinct packages catering to different users and budgets. The entry-level Fly Solo kit, priced at $229, includes just the drone and 1 battery, perfect for casual users. The Creator Combo at $299 adds an extra battery, the transceiver, and the RCN3 controller, ideal for creators who want more control and flexibility. Then comes the FPV Starter Pack for $390, which includes goggles and the motion controller for a fully immersive flying experience. Finally, the Fly More Kit at $449 bundles everything: 3 batteries, intelligent charger, goggles, and controller for the ultimate setup. Across all versions, DJI is clearly aiming to make the Neo 2 not just a product, but a platform that bridges the gap between fun, creativity, and professional-grade performance. With a laser Class 1 sensor system, possibly an infrared hybrid LiDAR for improved terrain mapping, plus AI-based navigation, the Neo 2 offers safety and precision far beyond what its small frame suggests. These features make it an excellent choice not just for beginners, but also for enthusiasts looking for a reliable travel or backup drone. DJI has done a remarkable job maintaining the spirit of the original Neo while injecting it with high-end DNA from the company's flagship models. The result is a drone that's more intelligent, stable, and feature-packed than anything else in its weight class. Whether you're a content creator wanting silky vertical footage, an FPV enthusiast craving agile flight dynamics, or a traveler looking for a lightweight drone that fits in your pocket, the DJI Neo 2 delivers on every front. It's not just a refresh, it's a redefinition of what an entry-level drone can be. With its advanced gimbal, powerful imaging system, voice and gesture commands, LiDAR-based obstacle detection, and enhanced flight controls, the Neo 2 sets a new benchmark for compact drones in 2025. DJI continues to blur the line between playfulness and professionalism, giving creators a powerful storytelling tool that fits in the palm of their hand. So, if you're looking for a small drone with big ambitions, the Neo 2 might just be the most fun, capable, and intelligent flying companion DJI has ever created.